Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. From all indication, the federal government has been able to hold Nigerians by the tail by the new directive to stop or close all cryptocurrency account. Because why I'm saying they've been able to hold Nigerians by the tail is the level of reactions that we are seeing right away. As I'm talking to you, the reactions are pouring in like never before. And they are condemning the directive by the Central Bank of Nigeria to commercial banks and all non-bank financial institutions, banning transactions involving cryptocurrency. And they gave the directive in a statement on Friday, stressing that all the institutions should close accounts of customers with cryptocurrency transaction with immediate effect. And they referred also to the circular of January 12, 2017, which cautioned deposit money banks, that's DMBs, non-bank financial institutions, NBFAs, and other financial institutions, OFI, and members of the public on the risks associated with transaction in cryptocurrency. And they have further reiterated again, reminding the banks that they should not deal with cryptocurrency and they should not facilitate any payment for cryptocurrency exchange. And right now, it has been prohibited. And let me just read an essay from it. And they wrote accordingly that all banks, non-bank or non-financial institutions are directed to identify persons and or entities transacting in or operating cryptocurrency within their system and ensure that such accounts are closed immediately. Reactions are just everywhere. And guess what? This time around is not coming just from the street. Politicians are reacting. Individuals are reacting. People are shouting and screaming that the country is nose diving in economic policy and it's not good enough for us. A lot of people have their money in cryptocurrency because of the imbalance in the value of Naira. Most people change their money to cryptocurrency, but with what they have said now, it therefore means that for some persons, they may be cashless for a while. But however, let's look at some of the reactions of Nigerians. First of all, let's start from the politician, Senator Ben Murray Bruce, who had been a senator representing Biafra State, had criticized the Apex Bank decision, saying, "I thought it's universal knowledge that decision or policy regarding finance or economy should never be hasty." Another person, also human rights activist, Segun Awosanya, popularly called Singaling, described the CBN action as foolhardy, saying this is yet another developing horror story in a dying society. The government via Central Bank is now shutting down cryptocurrencies in a desperate move to block any ray of hope for the huge youth demography they have largely failed. This won't end well. This is ill advised. And I think fairly recently he had published how he was able to make some very good money from the sales of cryptocurrency that he bought very cheap. I think he bought Bitcoin some many years ago and he's been able to sell it and make some good millions out of it. Another person, also a blogger, Jafet Omojowa, said individuals that can fund the entire Nigerian economy for donkey years are betting on Bitcoin, but Hassan and Musa are afraid it could make Nigerians wealthy. Welcome to the dark age. Others are in the age of deep learning. We are in the age of deep poverty. That's absolutely true. This is really serious. Another person also, one Adamu Gaba, said, with the banning of cryptocurrency transaction, I believe the central bank is taking proactive measures to protect Nigerians from fraudsters who deceive ordinary citizens and rid them of their earning. Crypto traders are supposed to be regularized so that they can be tracked in the event of cheat. That's coming in for a different person, and that's former presidential aspirant, and he is the only person who is talking for the CBN. This is really, really serious. Another person who has also joined her voice to castigate the government is DJ Switch. And she was a part of the NSAS protest, and she has expressed her disappointment at the CBN directive, saying, and this is her quote, she said, if the ban on crypto by CBN is true, it points yet again to the ill-informed, backward, poverty-promoting dinosaurs T-Rex leading us. Use your time to investigate and close those sponsoring the account of insurgents in the country if you don't know what to do. Wow, so many people, so many Nigerians are talking. Let's look at what Reno or Mockery also have to say, because based on what we have seen thus far, virtually everybody is talking right away. And Reno here is talking about it being quite detrimental to Nigerians, and he said, I know very sure they would ban it. How do you expect their Aboki Bureau de Change brothers to eat? There is no physical exchange rate on cryptocurrency. They know what they are doing at expense of the crypto hustlers. I weep for my great country. This is definitely another financial clamp down targeted at youth, targeted at young NSAS crypto hustlers. I urge Buhari CBN to rescind their cruel weaponization of poverty by the political elite. This is a serious thing, and I feel that the government will have a rethink, and they will have to do something about this, because this is absolutely one of the ways many Nigerians have been making money. You understand? Many people have been trading cryptocurrency, and they have been making some good monies out of it. If you look at the country today, let's be real to ourselves, especially Nigeria. Outside the internet, the country would have been something else. No jobs. If you take out those internet businesses, most of them have been doing genuine businesses, that most of them have been doing trading money on, that's trading Bitcoin, trading other cryptocurrency, getting involved in Forex and all of that. If you stop it, you will have the youths to contend with. I tell you the truth. This is absolutely the truth. These are the only people, these are the things that have made a lot of them not to react, you don't see them carry arms, you don't see them, go against the government of the day, because, hey, since the government cannot provide, we've got to find a way out of it. If you stop it, you are calling for Allah. I'm telling you the truth. It's better CBN have a rethink over this decision they have taken, so that tomorrow we will not see a bleak future for ourselves. We won't find the youths again on the street. Because this time around it's going to be sponsored by some very tough politicians, because I know a lot of politicians have their monies in cryptocurrencies. Yeah, we know there's a bad side to crypto. Yeah, that's true, because most of the things happening internationally in terms of sponsoring of some very heinous crime and all of that is done via cryptocurrency. But at the same time, the good outweigh the bad of cryptocurrency trading. Something should be done speedily. If there is a way that they can regulate it and all of that. But hey, for now, leave it open so that Nigerian youth can please still live. The jobs you are providing, look at what is happening. Even as we are talking, there is no money that had been kept aside for the funding of our 2021 budget. What the government are intending to do is to make use of some of the monies in dormant account that have been dormant for the last 6 years, and also to claim some unclaimed dividends and see how they can use it. The question is, in the nearest future, when these issues of, when we have to enter into 2022, which other money would be sourced for? And then you're trying to stop people here. So imagine having to face an increase unemployed youth, and then no funding anywhere and all of that. It therefore means we are not only going to see economic depression, we are going to see human depression. And that's nothing compared to economic depression, because it's going to be worse off for the country. Please, let's do something about it. Go to our comment section. You've heard so many reactions from Nigeria. I know that you are itching to talk.